The revised theory that positions the Anunnaki as an advanced terrestrial hominid species rather than extraterrestrial beings brings a fascinating perspective to the interpretation of ancient myths, particularly those concerning the Nephilim. Mentioned in various ancient texts, including the Bible, the Nephilim have often been depicted as giants or mighty beings, sometimes considered the offspring of the sons of God and the daughters of men. In the context of the revised theory, the stories of the Nephilim could be understood as allegorical representations of interactions between the Anunnaki and early humans. Here's how this connection might align with the modified triads of Anunnaki, humans, and genetic engineering. The narrative that the Anunnaki were an advanced species that interbred with or manipulated early humans could explain the origin of the Nephilim stories. If the Anunnaki were physically distinct, potentially larger, stronger, or with longer lifespans, their hybrid offspring might have been perceived as giants or superior beings, thus giving rise to the legends of the Nephilim. The concept of the sons of God, interpreted as the Anunnaki, mating with the daughters of men, early Homo sapiens, fits well into this framework, where the resulting offspring are described as heroes of old, men of renown in Genesis 6.4. Such interbreeding could have led to a caste of individuals who were perhaps leaders or rulers, seen as demigods due to their advanced skills, knowledge, or physical prowess inherited from their Anunnaki lineage. These individuals might have been responsible for significant technological and societal advancements which could have been preserved in myths as divine or semi-divine interventions. While mainstream science does not support the existence of such a species as described here, examining our genetic code for unusual markers or traits could be a speculative point of interest for those inclined towards alternative history. Archaeologically, unusually large or sophisticated structures or artifacts might be re-evaluated in this light, seen as the work of a technologically superior group within ancient human societies. The stories of the Nephilim resonate across multiple cultures and regions, suggesting a widespread motif of interaction between divine beings and humans, which might reflect a historical kernel of truth exaggerated over millennia. Similar myths exist globally, with stories of gods intermingling with humans found in Greek, Norse, and Hindu mythology. This widespread nature of such myths could indicate a common prehistoric event, perhaps encounters with an advanced hominid species, being interpreted through various cultural lenses. In reimagining the Anunnaki as an advanced Earth-based species, the myth of the Nephilim acquires new dimensions, suggesting that these legends might be rooted in real historical interactions between different hominid groups. While purely speculative and not supported by conventional archaeological or genetic evidence, this perspective enriches our understanding of ancient myths, proposing that they might not just be fantastical stories, but allegories based on forgotten truths about our ancestors. This hypothesis invites a deeper examination of our past, encouraging a broader consideration of what might have been possible in the evolution of human societies.